Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can charge the E88 air drone battery. Okay, last time we already showed how to charge the remote, and now we're gonna show how you can charge the drone battery. First of all, you need to turn off your drone and the remote control first. Okay, turn off the drone. Pressing power button, hold on. After it light disappear, we can take out the battery from the drone. Okay, you can see the battery here. Just be careful not to touch the camera, you can break it. Now press this button and slide it out. You can see the drone battery now. Get out and the charging will be here. So it uses the micro USB cable to connect it and charge the battery. Okay, now I connect the battery to the charger cable first, and then plug the battery to the power socket. Now you can see the red light appear on the battery. Okay, after it fully charged, the red light will disappear and you can take out the battery to insert back to your drone. Okay, and now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.